MeghalayaPost.news.
Habakran kilat pathai kubor mentagasngi hanongba shillong uba Lahkmen Rymbui Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih haka Sorkar Jela ulaong bolwadepkran bat kerpad ya Prof Sumarbin Umdor ba undang bteng ya kekam manlong kumu Pro Vice-Chancellor ka North Eastern Hill University NEHU dak bakadauru bakashiti ino kam jong Prof Sumarbin Umdor ka baulapha ka khatsan torik uno pra jong snam arhajar arpusan nakaliang Ketenat Pulih Putih kampat syam lapdang satya ngala kerpad yu Prof Sumarbin Umdor bu bteng biang ya kekam khnang baki kam ki jam hapo kate ke school ba NEHU hanong ba shillong bakin long ki bayai be ya ranti namar kumba galong menta na ki huriura hapo kate ke school ba klakta ya ka jingya bet ka jingpule parru karukom siu bai nong sha kinong trei ha kate ke school ba ong ba Lahkmen Rymbui Kajingkran jong ba Lahkmen Rymbui kalami hadin badang hakini ki kindel sngi bagi samla pulih ka NEHU ki bakentup ya ka NEHU su KSU unit NEHU sa bat ka NEHU ta kilalet ban kendu ya konrad ki sangma menteri rang ba ka Sorkar Jela haka baleng ba ka te jinglet kendu kila kentu ya ka Sorkar Jela baki dei bentuklar bat le halor ki huriura ki badan ha NEHU bat kamtam halor ka jingpep trei ka ba saus pa arpu arsni jong Professor Prabha Shukla ubadei Vice Chancellor ka NEHU.
See the stalemate in NEHU continues till today. The government of Meghalaya have taken up with the central government, and many organizations from NEHU also, they meet Honorable Chief Minister and they meet me also to see that this impasse in NEHU should end at the earliest. So, but the ministry till date have not given anything. So as of now, the situation is remaining like that. And we know that the Pro Vice of Shillong campus, Umdor, he has tendered his resignation. But till date, it has not been accepted. And we came to know also that there is a constraint for the Pro Vice of Tura to come here to Shillong. So if there is no Pro Vice in Shillong, being the headquarters of NEHU, it will affect many things, be academic, be the wages or the thing of the contractual staff or mustarul there, or another thing also. And once it affect Shillong headquarters, it will affect to about 70 affiliated colleges all over the state. So in this scenario, I urge the Umdor, Dr. Sumarbin Umdor, since his resignation have not been accepted as a Pro Vice, he should resume his duty so that the administration in Shillong campus should at least be going whatever it is. So this is the only thing which update which I want, as you said, to in this news. So what I hopeful that the central government, the Ministry of Education will come out with the permanent solution. I make a request in the sense that not because of any issue. The issue is the welfare of the student, the welfare of the staff there. So that's why pending the final decision taken by the ministry, so it is better. And moreover, since his resignation have not been accepted, it is better for the incumbent Pro Vice to resume his duty. I have talked to all the stakeholders. And we are also in communication with the ministry. But as I said, that since the permanent solution have not been arrived, have not been there, so and since the incumbent Pro Vice of Shillong, his resignation have not been accepted, so for the smooth functioning of the university, I request that he should resume his duties so that a normal transaction or normal administration of the Shillong campus also should run smoothly, of course with the province of Tura.
MeghalayaPost.news